Evening YouTube. Yep, Christmas has passed and New Year is slowly approaching, so I thought I'd get out and get a cheeky local one in. And so today I'm out in the Kent Downs on the North Downs Way and just soaking up that beautiful sunset. So, a very short walk up, it's only about a mile, but it's cracking evening, a bit breezy, which you can probably hear on the microphone, but apart from that, it's a beautiful orange sky. The rain's held off thankfully. I've had days and days of it, and really looking forward to this. This is a spot I've wanted to do for ages. It's pretty close to home, so no travelling to the lakes or the Peak District or Wales, but back in my home county of Kent, and looking forward to it. So I'll bring you back when I'm all set up. I'm in the tent, all set up. Still obviously depths of winter, so it just gets dark so quickly. I left the house around 3ish, got up here for around 4, and yeah, got the tent up. Really nice sunrise actually, which hopefully you've seen in the footage earlier. As you can see, the kind of bright lights out across the Romney Marsh, across to Dungeness, and it's just a really nice evening. So I'm all set up in the tent, still kind of blowy a little bit, wind gusts of around 15, nothing too major, but the strange thing is for this time of year, it's towards the end of December, kind of next week it'll be January, we're actually experiencing pretty warm weather, so it's not that cold. Highs are 14 today. I think towards the end of the week I think highs are 17, so it's very odd for this time of year. So despite that, I do have my full winter kit, which I'll show you in the morning, but now I think it's time to get some food on. Onto the beers, and tonight we've gone for a Brewdog Mallow Laser Quest Marshmallow and Pineapple Hazy IPA. Definitely pick out the pineapple, it's actually pretty sweet. Very nice. Cheers. So I've also got this, picked this up, curried chickpeas. So I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to do this, but I think I shall get the steak done, get the asparagus nice and tender and soft, then it can go straight in the pan. And might be a bit of a mishmash, but hey, I'm sure it tastes pretty good. Smells good. That looks about done. Bon appetit. So dinner's over. That was very scrummy, bit of an odd combination. Steak, chickpea curry and asparagus, but it was very tasty, very warming, and thoroughly enjoyed it. So the beers are gone. It's now probably coming up to 6 o'clock, and I think I'm just going to chill. Got a couple of movies downloading on my phone, so I shall kind of tuck into them, and I'll bring you back later. It's been a super chilled evening, really enjoyed it. Just finished watching a film, YouTube, had a hot chocolate, and just generally been just chilling out and relaxing, so it's been cracking. So unless anything else exciting happens, I'll see you guys in the morning. Good night. Morning guys, it's about 7:30 and I slept pretty well. So like all these kind of first night sleeps, it's fairly intermittent, kind of 2-hour blocks, and then you wake and you roll over. But yeah, no, pretty good night. The wind's been blowing all night, no rain as such, and yeah, thoroughly enjoyed it. I'll stick you out and you can have a look outside, and then it's time to get a brew on. So just got the 3-in-1 coffees, nice and simple. A rubbish bag. Breakfast this morning, nice and simple, just a cheeky hobnob bar. There we are, all packed up, and there it was, just a bit of flat grass, and like always, you know it guys, yep, leave no trace. So the wind hasn't really let up, it's been blowing a hoolie all night, still continues to do so. And there's my views of the Kent countryside, a bit covered in kind of clag, but nevertheless, been fantastic. So I'm going to head off, get back home, and yeah, look forward to the next one. So today marks the end of my 2021 wild camps. It's been a brilliant year. Hopefully you've seen my highlights video. If not, please do take a look. It's only a short one, but it's been just brilliant. Visited some awesome places, Peak District, Lake District, North Wales, South Wales, and it's just been absolutely stunning. So here's to 2022, here's to you guys. Thanks to all of my old subscribers, my new subscribers, and if you are thinking of subscribing, don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification if you want to be alerted to when I post my next video. But until next time, a new year and new adventures. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you soon.
Bread it up like sandwich. Are you okay? Working on my hand trick for your hoe's sake. Stunting like I better be, recipe for my own cake. Heavenly my pedigree.